Python programmer or a hacker or a pen tester, this video is highly recommended for you. We're about to dive or check out the cool stuff of the built-in python-nmap. Wow, yeah, the built-in python-nmap, very simple and very easy to use. You're going to use pip to do the installation. Like I said before, if you are on VS Code, if you are on Mac, you can use your terminal to do the pip install to install the python-nmap and check and be able to use the cool stuff and show to your friends, and then at least you're a Python hacker, you are a pen tester after watching this video. So let's straight right ahead dive into this video. So the first thing to do, make sure you have your Python installed. Make sure you have the editor that you're going to use. You can go to your the Microsoft Store to download any Linux or any Ubuntu or any Unix that you like. But in this video, I'm using my VMware Kali Linux. So let's go ahead and dive into. So the first thing to do is let me check if I have my Python installed. So no, double dash with my version. Okay, so by default Python is in by default. It's in my terminal, so I assume it in my terminal. Let me check if I need macro. Let me check if I have my Python 3 installed. Wow, I have my Python 3 installed. So let's do the pip command. Oh, it's already here. Pip install python-nmap. I hit my enter. This will depend on your internet connection. Again, it says requirements already certified. Oh, so that means I already have my python-nmap and I'm running on. So this is where it's being saved. Local lib python 3.size packages to add. So I go into this now. I'm able to see my Python 3, my python-nmap installed, and this is the version 0.71 of my python-nmap. So let's check if we have. So let's do a cd of cd of dash local. No, let me do a copy and paste rather. Didn't work, so copy selection. Okay, then paste my clipboard. All right, so let me do so let me check. All right, so in this I have my nmap, I have my python nmap. So wow, so by default we now have the location of where our nmap. This is a bonus to those that they are familiar with getting information or using nmap. Nmap is actually a tool meaning network mapping. You to scan or do some info or footprinting about a particular site or a particular host. You need to get all the information, what they are hosts on their servers. So we're not actually diving on into nmap. So let's check our cool Python nmap. So we have our cool Python. So you can go ahead and check out the info. So without wasting my time, we have our Python installed. So let's tutorial that into Python and let's check how we can use the Python nmap. So when you are in your Python, first thing to do, you do your import nmap. You hit enter. So we are importing this library, the nmap, which is already designed or already coded by our seniors, those who are the authors of the Python nmap. We first need to import this function, and then the next thing to do is the host. The host means the site that you want to do the site that you want to get the information, the site that you want to check all the details, all the information, you want to get the total info about the website. Is you do host as this is just my library, this is just my variable. So it comes with a string. So let's actually do my local host. So 127.0.0.1 and IN so 0.1 and I close it. I hit enter. And this is my host. This is my host. Actually, this can be any IP that, like I said, you want to get information, or you want to get details about, you want to get all the details that you want. And the next thing to do is actually call some function in our library, which is the nmap. To call some function in my library, which is the nmap, which is going to scan. So right now I want to scan, we want to get all the information, and to get it is what is scan. So we just do the nmap.scan. Python's just an English word. So we want to scan. So how do we do it? This is our nmap. So we just do nmap.scan, and then just take we just pass in the host, and then we just pass in the number of times we take this. So the number of times we want to get this the information, the time that I want to get the information, or the hop unit we want to get this information about. So we just call on our host. Our host with comma. And then we just set our 1 to 110, or actually this can be, let's do it 1 to 20, and we close it. So check out what will happen when I hit enter here. Line 1 in module nmap has not to use scan. Okay, I think I did a mistake there. I think it's so it's nmap dot so alright, so I just encountered, it said attribute error, module nmap has an attribute scan. So initially, for me to get all this scan, it's just a simple error to face. I forgot to place the port scanner. So actually the port scanner means the port that I want to get, the ports there's like HTTP, HTTP, SNMP, all the port scanner that I want. My host is normally my local host is on 3306. So I need to initialize that port scanner too. And to initialize that port scanner, is let me check if this is I set my variable called nmap, and I do nmap that port check the verb spellings That's post scanner. It's available. Sorry, it's available. That's my port scanner. It being set. And let's check if you get the same. So let's check with nmap dash scan. Just take my host. Just take my 120. Close. Let me hit enter and see what will happen. Ah, great. So this a whole bunch of information is what the nmap.scan can do. So it can print a command line which is able to get us our nmap, the OS version, the port number 1, and this is the ports what you get from 1 to 20. This is our this is the host that or the information I want to get. We can do a print scan info. You can do this what's good. You can do print scan stats. You can do print addresses. You can do status. You can do reasons. You can do conf and do extra info version. So let's check with command line. So let's do print. Let's do print nmap dot comma underscore lag. Let's go down. Let's push it. Let's hit enter. Wow, we are able to print nmap what was here, nmap OS with our port number and with our host in here. So let's try with print version and see nmap dot version. nmap version. Hit enter and see. So line 1 in module port scanner has some attributes. Okay, so for us to print or get the version, I think we also need to initialize what a function before. As you said, port scanner has not attributes what, and also right now we are using only we are in the library or in the functions of our port library, so we're able to get our nmap.command line. So let's try to do print. Let's try to do print and let's do something like nmap dot scan info and see what we're able to get. nmap dot scan info, inbound post scanner scan info. Okay, so able to get our I think there's another thing you have to initialize before, but as usual, these are the cool stuff. You can check everything here. You can check with what's your nmap. I think in another video we just import another library to be able to get our scan info, our versions, our vendor, and our extra info. Thank you once again. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lalia Technologies, as you come all along to your way with a lot of tutorials, lots of exciting content and a lot of exciting activities. Do like share to your friends, your colleagues, for them to learn about any programming language, anything about tech, be updated on any news. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next tutorial videos. Bye bye.